Hey guys, it's Miss Hart. So you know that we're still learning about opposites. So this one is going to be about animals. Okay, let's see what opposites we can find in this story. Here's a big elephant with a long floppy nose. Here's a small tree frog with tiny orange toes. Here's a speedy kangaroo. She hops and she leaps. Here's a slow tortoise. He plods and he creeps. Here's a yellow duckling with little webbed feet. And it says, use this book to carry it wherever you go. Okay guys, so I want you to tell me what opposites that you saw with this story. Okay? Alright, I'll see you next time. Bye.